Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm stood in the parterre at the very front of the cottage because I want to give you an update on something which is giving me a great deal of delight. When I first moved in here, there was a rose bush in that corner over there. This is before I planted the parterre, and I dug that rose bush up and I did a video how to move a rose bush. That was 2.5 years ago. Now, in the intervening period of time, that rose bush has been through the mill. I planted it in the ground for about 6 months, after which point it had recovered. But then I had to move it again, so it was moved a second time, and I put it in a plastic tub. And it sat in that plastic tub in the corner of my compound for another 2 years. Neglected, forgotten about, became completely overgrown with weeds. And then I decided, to be fair to the rose, to give it a bit of TLC. So I took all the soil off the roots and I repotted it into another tub. And there were two of them, by the way. There was another one growing up the porch at the front of the cottage. What I've got to show you now is after about 3 or 4 months in that second tub, and I'm really delighted about this. Let me show you what that rose looks like right now. And here it is, right next to my face. Can you see it? Look at this. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I hope I'm getting, I'm using a selfie stick, so I hope I'm getting this on camera. What I'll do is I'll reverse the camera and I'll show it you up close. These are the 2 roses that I've planted into tubs. I will put the links to moving the rose video and also the rose tree rehabilitation video. But look at that. September. This growth is all in the last 4 months because I pruned them right back, and you'll see that in the videos. But look, it's just, I find it very moving actually. This rose has been in this cottage for many years, and if you look down at the trunk, you can see it's an ancient, mature rose, and it's been moved, well, 3 times now. And look at these lovely rose blossoms, and if I get my nose into those, oh, the smell of roses is just wonderful. That's the other one, that's the second one, and that also has, look, that, is there anything more beautiful than that? Aren't they just adorable? So do have a look at my rose bush videos. I'll put the links to both those videos in the description box below this. The first one when I moved them, and then the second one when I rehabilitated them. I'm delighted, as you can probably see, but this is what's happened to those roses. See you soon for some more rose bush adventures. Bye for now.